And we're underway. Wow, that was way too easy. A good look for three. Some tough luck there on the three. An open three on the way. Drains the three-pointer. Oh my goodness, what a move. A wide open shot. They're struggling on the offensive end. Launches a quick shot, hits it. Excellent pass. Gets a good look. Shot is good. Pulls up from mid-range. A two-pointer, won't go. A failed drive attempt. The defender cannot keep up. Time is running out. An open mid-range. Off the mark on that one. Rises up. Just casually drops it in. A contested shot, a forced shot and missed. A wide open three. That's just way too easy. Create space with the crossover. A successful contest by the defender. Nice D on that play. Uncontested three-pointer. Oh, an unfortunate miss from downtown. Blows by the D, open look. Clarkson secures the two-pointer. Wide open for a three. No good from the three-point line. That's a nice dish. That's a quick release. Not feeling it from beyond the arc. No hesitation for that shot. What a beautiful three. The defender is shaking off on that one. Bad shot selection right there. Quick hands on that strip. Great defense. Create space with the crossover. Open look. The players are looking tired. Fires one off. The shot bounces off the rim. Fires away. Defenders are going to have a hard time now. That blocks the shot. Shoots a fader, knocks it down. They're leading by a large margin. Blows by the D, goes straight for a three-pointer. The D was too tight on that shot. An open three on the way, hits it. Defense needs to be better now. A difficult mid-range shot, not a smart play. A wide open three. The touch isn't quite there today. Elevates. Lopez throws the hammer down. The defender cannot keep up. Cut down. Three. Whew. Missed an opportunity there with the big rejection.